Hello friends, most welcome to English Advantage online classes. Friends, in this video I will give you a practice for your IBPS clerk pre-exam through this mock test number 5, and remaining mock test you must have watched till now, and if you haven't watched them, you can definitely watch them. Mock test number 1, 2, 3 and 4 I have already uploaded on this channel, English Advantage YouTube channel. And this video I am recording for the English medium student. It will be in English language, and if you want to watch the Hindi version of this video, you can definitely watch the Hindi version as well. So through these mock tests, you can check your level of preparation before the real exam. And the question that I have included in these mock tests are the real questions, and only the same kind of question will come in your real exam. So let us get started. This is section number 1, and section number 1 belongs to spotting error. This is question 1 and question 2. First you have to solve these question on your own, and you have to reach a suitable answer, and if your answer matches my answer, you have to give yourself 1 marks, otherwise you have to give yourself 0.25, and you can also leave the question unattempted. So this is the first question. All banks must necessarily keep a certain percentage of deposits with the Reserve Bank. Now if you go through this sentence closely, you will find a mistake here, since we are using a verb here, keep. Now before this we must say here necessarily. All banks must necessarily keep a certain percentage of deposits with the Reserve Bank. So here this word you have to change into necessarily, and mistake will be B. So question number 1, your answer will be B. Okay. Now let's move on to the question number 2. Students will be the worst affected by the public transport strike next week. Now in this sentence, notice this definite article the, and after this definite article you have to use here the superlative degree of an adjective. So here you have to use the word worst, not worse. So your answer of question number 2 will be B. Now question number 3 says, our country has the ambitious goal of eliminating poverty for 10 years. Okay, now in this sentence we are not talking about a period of time. Okay, but what we are talking about is that in what duration we will achieve this goal. So we will achieve this goal in 10 years. Okay, so D will be your answer here. Question number 3, your answer will be D. Now question number 4 says, I cannot sanction such a large sum without no permission of the manager. Now after without, grammatically speaking, we always use the word any. Without any permission, we cannot use this word no. Okay, so here your answer will be C. Question number 4, your answer will be C. Only these kind of question will come in your IBPS clerk pre-exam, not only in pre-exam but also in mains exam. But number of question will be 40 in mains exam instead of 30 as you will get in IBPS pre-exam. Okay, now question number 5 says, he advised his son not doing anything which is against his conscience. Now in these kind of sentences you have to correct only the highlighted part, because this part may be grammatically wrong, and if you see no grammatical error in this part, your answer will be no correction required. Okay, so here he advised his son never to do. Okay, not to do or never to do, both will be correct here. So B will be your answer. Question number 5, your answer will be B. Question number 6, had you informed me in time, I would have taken the right decision. Okay, so this sentence belong to unfulfilled condition. So in unfulfilled condition we always use would have in place of will have. Okay, in the first part, that is condition part, we always use had, and in the result part we always use would have in place of will have, and after this would have we will use the third form of the verb. So here your answer will be B, would have taken. Question number 6, your answer will be B. Now section 2, sentence improvement. There are some more questions belonging to sentence improvement. Even after taking the matter for us, we could not arrive at a decision. Okay. Now after this, as you can see, this word after is a preposition, and after this preposition we correctly use ing form of the verb. But after this taking, we also need some other word, one more word. Either we need talking about or we need talking over. Okay, so talking over will be the correct answer here. Question number 7, your answer is A. Every employee is entitled to these benefits from the late regulations. Now from the late is incorrect. In place of this you have to say under the latest regulations, because rules and regulations keep changing, and you have to keep in mind only the latest ones. So here you have to say under the latest regulations. Question number 9. Okay, now these two questions belong to inappropriate word or spelling error. These kind of questions are very common in clerical exam. So in this sentence, as you can see, 4 particular words are highlighted, and one of the word may be erroneous word. So you have to figure out that word. Okay, popular, understanding, and if you go through this complete sentence, you will find that this is a wrong word here. You are talking about the incident here, one happening here. Okay, the popular understanding of the incident was that he had resigned. The result of that happening, or the result of that incident, was that he had resigned. So incidents will not come. In place of incidents you have to say incident. So C will be your answer in question number 9. And in question number 10, as you can see, the dates spelling is correct, holding spelling of holding is correct, proportion is correct, only this spelling is wrong. The spelling of liable is Liable. Okay, so in question number 10 your answer will be A. Now we have come to the section number 4, that is cloze test. Okay, you have to fill it on your own first. You can stop this video for some time and try to solve it on your own. Only the same kind of cloze test will come in IBPS clerk pre-exam, and the ideal time that you should take is 2.5 minutes in order to solve this entire cloze test. Okay, though most of us know him best for his lightning and kite experiment. Okay, I know him best for this particular thing. So here only the best will be the right choice. Ben Franklin, this is the person we are talking about in this para, was first and foremost, because first and foremost is idiomatic expression. After first we have to write here foremost. So foremost will be your answer. A printer born humbly in Boston in 1706. He was the 15th of 17 children of a poor candle maker. At the, now here the option will be early. At the early age of 17, he went to Philadelphia, where after working for others for a few years, he now here you need the past tense, and only the C option gives you the past tense. So here opened his own printing shop. Now setup would have been the correct answer, but it is not setup, it is only set, and it would also have been the correct answer, but it is not in the past tense, so it will be eliminated. Only this will be correct, and create and share will not make any sense here. So please add all your number, and whatever is your final score, please send me through the comment box, and I will be giving my honest feedback on your score, and you can check your level of preparation before the real exam. So this is your result card. If you have managed to got 12 to 15, your performance stands outstanding. 9 to 12, excellent. 6 to 9, very good. And in all these situations, your sectional cutoff is most likely to be clear. Okay. Now if you have managed to got only 4 to 6, your performance is satisfactory, although it is doubtful, your sectional cutoff is doubtful in the real exam, but hopefully you will get better marks than this. And if you have managed to get in this mock test only below 4, you have to practice hard and you have to work hard a lot. Okay, so this is the mock test number 5, and I am uploading these mock tests for your success, and you will definitely benefit from these mock tests. So if you have found these mock tests useful for your exam, for your preparation, and for your success, kindly like it, share it with your friend, and do send me your score as well as your comment. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, English Advantage YouTube channel, till now, kindly do subscribe to get all the notifications regarding the video upload. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best for your bright future. Thank you.